How to add multiple photos to LinkedIn post. So first is to launch the LinkedIn application. Then on the panel below, select the post icon. Now tap Media, and from here, select the photos that you want to upload by tapping. Now notice on top of these pictures, there are numbers. So the picture that has the number 1 means that this photo will be put first. So if you have a specific order for your photos, just tap the photo that you want to be put first, and then so on and so forth. Then after selecting, tap the Add button, which is located on the top right corner. Then tap the blue button located on the lower right corner. So if you have any captions for these photos, just tap the text what you want to talk about. But if none, proceed to tap the Post button located on the upper right corner. And so that is how you add multiple photos to LinkedIn post. Thank you and have a great day.